Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and organized reading list in Notion, perfect for beginners. If you've ever struggled to keep track of books, articles, or any reading materials you want to remember, by the end of this video you'll have an easy system set up in Notion, ready to help you stay on top of your reading goals. Now, let's dive right in. There are a couple of ways to make a reading list in Notion. You can build one totally from scratch, getting creative with your own layout. But today, we're going to take advantage of Notion's built-in AI feature to set one up in seconds. This method is ideal if you're brand new to Notion, or you just want a quick, professional-looking template you can start using right away. First things first, take a look at Notion's left sidebar, which is where you'll add new pages and templates. You'll see a button or option labeled Add New. Go ahead and click that. This part is a bit like opening a fresh notebook, so don't worry about making mistakes. You can always undo or adjust things later. With the Add New section open, type Reading List into the search bar. This helps Notion's AI understand exactly what kind of page you want to generate. Think of it as telling a helpful assistant, "Hey, can you set up a reading tracker for me?" Once you hit Enter, Notion's AI begins building a reading list template right there for you. You might need to wait a few seconds while it works, so just give it a little time. It's processing your request, and soon you'll see a page laid out with sections for the book title, author, genre, status, all the essentials organized neatly. Before moving on, take a moment to look through what the AI has generated. Is the setup close to what you need? Are there columns for notes, dates, or ratings? If anything looks off, you can always tweak it later, but usually the AI gets you a fantastic head start. If you're happy with what you see, just click Continue. That's like telling Notion, "Yup, this works for me. Let's make it my reading list." Now the fun part begins, customizing and filling in your reading list. You can edit any part of the template. Maybe you want to add a column for your personal review, or a checkbox for when you finish each book. Don't be afraid to make it your own. For example, if you like to read both fiction and nonfiction, you could add a genre filter. Or maybe you want to track the books you've lent out to friends. Just add a little note section. As you start entering your books, articles, or resources, you'll see how this digital list can act like your own personal reading dashboard. It's really satisfying to see everything in one place, and you'll never forget what's next on your reading journey. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've set up an efficient reading list in Notion, using AI to save time and effort. If you ran into any bumps, remember, Notion is super flexible. You can always go back, rearrange columns, or add new entries as your list grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want advice on tweaking your Notion setup, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next one.